So let's start with the presentation. Before we start, first let me, in life, two things cannot be stagnant. One is water. A stagnant water can contaminate it at any time. And the second one is wealth plus taxes. A stagnant wealth, as we all know, time value of money, loses the opportunities. So plan your taxes wisely. And let's start with an adage also that tax planning is a necessity, not choice, if you want to grow by leaps and bounds. This is our team, ASB. Three are the founder partners: Suresh Jain, Anand Jain, Bharat Kakaria. Suresh Jain is a CPA from USA. Consists of other team: CA Ankit Kochar, Sushil, Vijay, Chandrakant Papad, and other team employees. These are our core principles while we are working to any of the work that we do. Our scope of domain: first one is audits, tax audits, statutory audits. This is the very most important part, tax optimization. We always do a tax planning to reduce the current tax level from the what we can do for the client. The third one is direct taxation and litigations. Fourth one, wealth enhancement by floating private trust. If you know, a lot of people, I think big conglomerates and corporates are having a trust, either offshore trust or either they are floating in India, private and public trust, to get the benefit of the for their, you can say that, generation. It's a legacy. And also one good thing about trust is that any attachment, any debt overridden, that nobody can attach your private trust and public trust property. The fifth one is financial statement planning, financial operation audits, litigation, and this is also what we have started doing since last 1 year, the MSME listing. So how many of us wants to increase the, what you mean to say, that the value of their business? I think all of us. Have you ever understand the what is the power of equity? If you take a balance sheet of any company, the face value of the share starts with either 10. If the people split it up, rupees 1 value share traded at 500 rupees. This is how, because it is all about the power of financials. If you remember, the moment your quarterly files uploaded, quarterly financials uploaded online, then the people start speculating with your financials. So plan your financials books wisely for long run. This is the MSME listing that we do as our CT scan expert CS Sachin Bhai also do the secretarial part. But we are core with the financials, how to structure your financials if you want to go for an MSME listing. This is the life cycle that we have specified. Initial stage, it's very risky to go for an MSME listing because it's a very mature, you can say that investors are there. So always go for, when you are ready for an expansion, then go for this part. This is very, very much advantageous for you. Then it comes to this few other transactions which is on the income tax radar always whenever you are dealing. So better you have to be very cautious while dealing property matters. Assets of the books of accounts. If you holding any asset, then do plan it up, hold it up. What I can say is that start moving to the books of account, because government is coming up with a lot of other schemes like property passbook schemes and changing of the financial year. So better to plan your things in a very wise way. Foreign trips of the books of account, that is also becomes a barrier after integrating Aadhaar in a very span of next 1 year. These are the quite, you can say that there are few things, penalty, as we all talk about now, the way the department is moving is very rigorously in levying a penalty. They don't think about it before, what do you mean to say that the moment they realize that if there any income is escaped, then this levy penalty is 100% of tax ought to be evaded, maximum to 300% of tax ought to be evaded. There is a cap on cash payments to matter. Recently government has come up with the notification that below more than 2 lakhs, you either do not receive it or not paid it in cash. So that is also creating a trade barrier, but there are certain ways that you can also waive it out in a very planned way. Now, as we all BNI members, key trigger points. So let me think on it. So I also put it up key trigger points which you can also refer me by. If anybody is fed up with taxes, if anybody wants to go for a future listing process, So, because this listing process is a time-bound exercise, it takes around, you can say that last 2 years. If you plan it in a right way, then it goes for a listing. Tax haven planning, lot of people float companies in Dubai, Singapore, Cayman Island. And if anyone is saying that I have received notices, then we are there to help you out. This is how we do the structure. As we all know, there are two in accounts, only two, debit, credit. So our one team do the analysis of a revenue, and other team do the expenses analysis. Then they comes with the personal director's income analysis. Then they comes with this figure, actual liability versus tax liability, while reporting our audited financial standards. These are my specific gives. My ask, industry based, specific, our Andheri office, Marine Lines, Vashi, and I forgot to add on Torega office. Thank you, and I just have one live testimonial because of, I told in my 30 second also, one of our company going for listing, which is scheduled in the month of December 2017 for MSME IPO listing. So there is a testimonial from the CFO of the company, Zafar Inamdar. Nitin, will you please play it?
Hello, good morning. My name is Zafar Nanda. I am the CFO of Innovative Intelligence Services Limited. We have been interacting with AIP team and associates in the last 6 months. We have fruitfully brought our financials to a state whereby we are now shortly getting listed under the stock exchange and BSE and NSE under the SME practice company. I personally take this opportunity to thank Mr. Anand for his entire efforts and day and night support provided to us in finalization of our financials. He being a professional industry has the acumen and knowledge of the market conditions prevailing in the country and has been able to guide us very fruitful in getting us listed in the stock exchange. We from Innovative would be very much delighted to work with him in the near future on the same lines, and we have also given him the opportunity to look into our concerns which we shortly intend to take over and get listed further. Thank you very much for his efforts and all this, and we are thankful to his team for their kind support extended to us during the period with us. Thank you.
Any question? Any questions, members?